2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Buyer's Guide. The Chevrolet Silverado is the second best-selling vehicle in the US, so you could say this truck is pretty important not only to Chevy's bottom line, but to the hundreds of thousands of pickup buyers who choose the Silverado each year. Like its major rivals in this hotly contested segment, including the Ford F-150, Toyota Tundra, Nissan Titan and Ram 1500, the Silverado has an option sheet that can make this a mudslinging work truck or a 21st century luxury office on wheels. In terms of cab length, there are three choices: regular, double and crew, along with the available short, standard door long cargo bed. Engines range from a 4.3-liter V6 and a 5.3-liter V8 up to a range-topping 6.2-liter V8. The Silverado can be ordered with a choice of 2 or 4-wheel drive, and transmissions include both a 6 and 8-speed automatic, depending on choice of powertrain and trim. Changes for the 2018 model year include the standard fitment of rear view camera, along with a tire fill alert system that lets the driver know when the correct pressure has been reached. A 7.0-inch touchscreen stereo system is also now standard equipment on the base Silverado. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration gives the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado an overall crash test rating of 5 stars. In front and side impact tests, the latest Silverado 1500 scored a 5-star safety rating. A 4-star rating was recorded in the roll of resistance test. This rating applies to Silverado trucks fitted with either rear or all-wheel drive. Because the Silverado is so popular, NHTSA conducted crash tests on models fitted with both of these drivetrains and into cab lengths. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, which provides ratings for new vehicles based on its own comprehensive crash tests, tested 2 versions of the Silverado 1500. The extended cab model registered good ratings in all but one of the IIHS crash tests. Driver side protection in the small overlap test was deemed acceptable. Front passenger side results are not rated in this test. Headlight effectiveness was given a poor rating. However, the ease of use of the child seat latch anchors was deemed marginal in the extended cab Silverado. Ratings suffer slightly for the Silverado in crew cab format. Driver side protection in the front small overlap test drops to marginal, while the headlights and available latch system both scored poor ratings. Ratings may differ for Silverado trucks from other model years, so be sure to visit the NHTSA and IIHS websites to review ratings on the specific vehicle you're researching. At the time of this writing, the 2018 Silverado is not listed as being part of any ongoing recalls. This is why the 2019 Chevrolet gets thoroughly reworked, with a more aggressive looking exterior, a wider range of trim levels, a totally updated cabin and new features such as a 10-speed automatic fitted to the optional 6.2-liter V8. Chevrolet has also trimmed hundreds of pounds from the curb weight of this new Silverado, despite not using aluminum in the cargo bed like its crosstown rival, the Ford F-150. These weight savings should improve fuel economy and overall driving dynamics. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 arrives fall 2018, so there could be plenty of deals on the outgoing 2018 model. The Chevrolet Silverado comes in 6 main trim levels. The entry-level weight, work truck, is followed by the LS, Custom, LT, LTZ and High Country. Both the LT and LTZ trim levels can be equipped with the Z71 off-road package. Engines include a 4.3-liter V6 that delivers 285 horsepower and 305 lb-ft of torque at 3,900 rpm. Next is a 5.3-liter V8, which delivers a total of 355 HP and 383 lb-ft of torque at 4,100 rpm. Lastly, and available only on the LTZ and High Country at the time of this writing, is a 6.2-liter V8 that offers 420 HP and 460 lb-ft of torque at 4,100 rpm. A 6-speed automatic transmission is fitted to the V6 and comes standard on lower trim levels equipped with the 5.3-liter V8. An 8-speed automatic becomes available on 5.3-liter V8s at the LTZ trim level. Meanwhile, the 8-speed auto is standard with the 6.2-liter V8.